Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm about to teach you how you can sign up for Peacock TV. So, go ahead and open up your Peacock TV on your mobile device. After you open the Peacock TV, wait for a while as it will load. After the Peacock TV is loaded, press on Sign In and then Sign Up. You will go to the interface of Peacock TV, and then you can choose your monthly or yearly plan according to your wish. For now, let me go ahead and choose the $5.99 per month and then create my account. Make sure to mention your email, password, and confirm password. After pressing Create Account, you should go ahead and give your details to Peacock TV. You should write your first name, last name, birth year, gender, and the zip code of your area. After you're all done, press on Create Account. You can either choose your payment method or skip it for now. Press the cross button, and you can go ahead and see the settings. You are now logged in, and now you have to create a profile for yourself. Let's go ahead and pick a profile picture for myself. I will write my name, press Next, and it will give you some movies and series to choose from. These are the recommendations which will be followed by Peacock TV. So, there you go. This is how you sign up for Peacock TV from your mobile device. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you still have any sorts of confusions, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.